Schluter-Kerdi Drain A adapter kits are used to convert clamping ring drains to integrated bonding flange drains when removal of the clamping ring drain is not practical. This video demonstrates installation of the 7.5-inch kit, or KDA7. Let's take a look at what's inside the 7.5-inch kit. There is a 7.5-inch diameter adapter ring and corresponding bonding flange. The kit also includes a lateral adjustment ring, which is provided for the Kerdi drain grate. Note that when installing the grate assembly, which is sold separately, use the height adjustment collar from the grate assembly in combination with the lateral adjustment ring from the adapter kit. The lateral adjustment ring included with the grate kits are not compatible with the KDA7. The Kerdi Drain A adapter kits can be used with either a mortar base or the Schluter-Kerdi Shower prefabricated shower trays. Let's take a look at the installation of the KDA7. All plumbing connections should be made by a qualified person in accordance with local building and fire codes effective in your region. Pre-construction meetings have taken place and the workflow established between the plumber and tile installer. The plumber will begin the work. Remove the clamping ring from the installed drain. Align the bolt pattern of the clamping ring with the matching punch-outs in the adapter ring. The bolt patterns are designed to line up with the majority of clamping ring drains. In the event you are unable to match the bolt patterns, please contact your Schluter Systems representative for guidance. Punch the matching inserts out through the adapter ring. Remove the bolts. Clean away any rust or debris from the clamping ring drain and wipe it down with a damp cloth. Apply a continuous 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch bead of Schluter-Kerdi Fix to the underside of the adapter ring or the clamping ring drain itself, making sure to encircle the bolt holes. Align the holes in the adapter ring with the bolt holes in the installed drain and place the adapter ring on the installed drain flange. Reinsert and tighten the bolts. Bolts are to be finger tight plus 1/4 turn. Do not over-tighten, as this may warp the adapter ring and result in leaks. The plumber sets the bonding flange into the adapter ring. It will be set in conjunction with the shower base by the tile installer. The adapter flange will be inserted into the adapter ring and must sit flush with or slightly below the surface of the Kerdi shower tray. Depending on the installed drain elevation, it may be necessary to raise the height of the shower tray. Polystyrene foam, Kerdi board, tile backer board, water-resistant gypsum backer board, or similar can be installed prior to the tray to raise it to the desired height. In this installation, we are using a polystyrene foam panel. Be sure not to use a moisture-sensitive underlayment, such as plywood, in applications over concrete, particularly young concrete or concrete on grade that is subject to moisture migration. Make sure to measure and dry fit components before installation. The bonding flange in the KDA7 has a relatively long outlet in order to reach drains that are recessed into floors. In some cases, it will be necessary to shorten the outlet to prevent the flange from sitting above the shower tray. This can be done with a saw or rotary cutting tool. Clean any burrs or rough edges from the flange. Make sure to cut the flange such that it is fully engaged with the ring and plumbing below. Let's begin the installation. Any leveling of the floor must be done prior to the installation of the panel. Apply any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar to the substrate. Using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 or 3/8 inch by 3/8 inch square or U-notched trowel. Place the foam panel. And solidly embed in the mortar. Using the same trowel, apply thin-set mortar to the underlayment. Place the Kerdi shower tray. And solidly embed in the mortar. Next, we will install the bonding flange. Apply thin-set mortar to completely fill the step in the shower tray. Press the adapter flange firmly into the mortar to ensure full support. Check the drain for level. Clean the excess mortar from the top of the bonding flange. Next, the Kerdi Board SC shower curbs are installed in the same manner demonstrated previously with the tray. Make sure thin-set mortar is applied to all points of contact when installing the curbs. Now, we can complete the waterproofing application on the shower base. Waterproofing is maintained using Kerdi accessories, ensuring 2-inch overlaps at all junctions, using any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar. Apply the mortar with a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel or the Schluter Kerdi trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design. And install and embed the Kerdi waterproofing accessories. Finally, install the Kerdi collar. Using the flat side of the trowel, apply thin-set mortar over the bonding flange and within the recessed area of the shower tray surrounding the drain. Then, comb additional mortar using the notched side of the trowel. Center the included Kerdi collar over the Kerdi Drain A adapter flange and embed using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall taping knife. Make sure this connection is secure. Clean the excess mortar from the bonding flange. The clamping ring drain has been successfully converted to an integrated bonding flange drain. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.